Hello and welcome to official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Pariwal back with one more stunning GD video, that is freebies culture is good or bad. Nowadays our viewers, our app users are suggesting us many GD and debates topics. So I request to you that if you have any topics which you want us to discuss, then you can also make sure in a comment section, and if you have any points and questions regarding to this topic, then make sure in comment section. Here in this debate and GD, there is two speakers between us. One side Mr. Kavish is here, another side Meenakshi ma'am is here. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm directly going to start this session. So I would like to hand over the mic to Meenakshi ma'am first.
Good morning, everyone. I am favoring freebie culture is good. Why? Because freebie, first thing we should take it as a welfare scheme and not a freebie culture. Okay, welfare schemes are there. My second point is that it reduces inequality also. How? That according to a Oxfam report, only 1% of the richest person or the richest people in the India hold 73% of the India's wealth. Okay, so to reduce this inequality, these type of welfare schemes are needed. My third point is that all the freebies or the welfare schemes have the multi-dimensional effect on our country. That it will increase our educational or educated people in the country, then it will lead to a good employment rate, and overall it will increase the standard of living of the people of India. That's all from my side. If you have any question, then please add.
Wow, beautiful points mentioned by you. Yes, Mr. Kavish, do you have any question?
Yes. Well, you spoke good, but I disagree with your some points. First, you said government is giving us freebies, but in foreign countries like Sweden and Norway, government is providing us necessity, basic necessity. Their 30 to 40% of their 100% budget are given to this necessity, healthcare or education. And in India, government is providing us freebie. Government should not provide as a freebie; they should provide directly. What's your say?
Okay, so if you ask about the basic needs, then free electricity, water and education, these are the basic needs of our India's population. That's all.
Okay, but people are misusing it. The government is providing unemployment allowances, so people don't go job. This is useless resources for GDP. What's your say?
Okay, so I would like to quote here Mr. Abhijit Banerjee, who is an economist and a Nobel laureate. Okay, according to his research, by providing people with freebies or the welfare spending, they are becoming more productive and more creative. That's all.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Kavish Jain and I am against freebie culture. Freebie culture is not good because it increase fiscal deficit of country, and it mean government expenditure is more than its revenue. So government had to take external debt, and government had to pay more interest payments to IMF, World Bank and other countries, and it will disrupt the macroeconomic stability of country's economy. And government also prioritizing other things, like not doing actual things like solving the problem of unemployment, like industrial development or infrastructure, like things government is doing freebie for vote only. That's all from my side. If you have any question, then please ask me.
Okay, I appreciate your points, but I disagree with your points. Why? Because these are not the freebies or welfare spending, but these are the union policies, bad loans, tax holidays, and the waiving of bad loans. This is the main factor which are causing the loss of revenue, not the freebies.
From that, government giving a tax holiday to company, more companies will come, FDI will come. There's inflow, 10 billion inflows in 15 months in recent data published by Mint, that 50,000 crores of rupees are in inflows in India from FVI, and it will generate more employment, it will give more better opportunity, it will develop infrastructure facilities. So government is waiving off their loans or that's.
Okay, but I want to ask one thing, that when it comes to the giving to the needy people, okay, then it becomes freebies. And if the unproductive loans of crores and crores by banks, then it become that you don't classify it as freebies, and you are calling it restructuring, or we are making bad banks for that. So what do you want to say about that?
But that's the government corruption problem, not the freebie. Freebie is bad. That's the corruption and mismanagement of government.
So that's what I am saying, that it is the corruption and mismanagement of our union policy. This is not the fault of freebies, okay, which they are providing, and they are providing through the money of taxpayer, not the if we are not getting the loss of revenue, okay, but by the bad loans or by the waiving of bad loans or tax holidays, we are that are the actual freebies, and we are getting loss of revenue by them, not by the freebies, because the people need them. The people actually need the freebies because they can't survive. India is the worst unequal country in the world, okay, so we need them.
So government have to give directly. They have giving as a bribe.
Okay, yeah, all right. So nice points mentioned by both of you. The one thing I want to tell you, that is the factual points, factual data you have shared. 100% appreciation to Meenakshi ma'am as well as Kavish sir also. So if I conclude this topic, absolutely the best point from your side was that unemployed nonsense
Allowances.
that they are giving. Actually, now the government has changed the scenario. Government is saying that you should invest your 3 hours or 4 hour maximum at some places where according to your skills. Then they are providing, I think so, 3,500 and approx 4,000 rupees. Okay, your point is also good, that it is a need, it is a necessity, that's why we are providing. Just like the healthcare is a necessity, okay, electricity is also necessary. So some unit we should give some relaxation to the people, and it is a work of the government also. But the thing is that what is the permanent solution? Can we provide the freebies culture to the generation, or we should stop it? Because everything has an end. Okay, but we need a good end. That is, we should have the alternate solution, because to ban the freebie culture, it's not a solution. I always say in my every GD and debate that to ban anything, it's not a solution. But what should be the next step to end the freebie culture and to implement some good things? I request to our viewers also that if you have any unique idea regarding to this point, then must write in a comment section. And 3 things I want to tell you guys: whenever you are going to do GD and debate, 3 points you should keep in your mind. First is the facts and datas. Second point is of examples, and third point, that is very important, that is your experience and opinion. If you have 3 points, if you have these 3 parameters, then no one can beat you in any GD and debate, and you will definitely win the stage. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then must share to your friends and family member. Thank you for watching this.